So I had a few hours to kill before my flight. So I made my way from Ayala Center to Cebu Seaside, SM Seaside. This cafe is beside the Ocean Park. And it's a good way to spend maybe a couple of hours bago kayo pumunta sa airport. Come, let's explore Vivace Art Cafe. Actually, nagustuhan ko yun. Ganda. Parang yun pa lang. Medyo sulit na. Very Team Lab, but cheaper than Team Lab. Sorry, proceed na tayo sa kabila. So yung next natin is the Petal Pulse Dreamscape, where digital blossoms awaken the rhythm of life. Appreciate that they brought it here for people to experience, and it's different. The next one is the Phantom Twilight. Okay. Interesting. Let's see what it's about. Ito yung laging nakikita. Hintayin muna natin matapos siya. Medyo mas maliit siya na room, and of course kita mo yung screen, so parang medyo AV or films siya, pero maganda pa rin because may wind. natin tanggalin yung sapatos dito. Sige na nga. May bulaklak. Here it is. This is one of my favorites. Parang under. Pero so this is the last. But this one shows the aquarium kasi nasa loob tayo ng Ocean Park. So there's a So, is it worth the 600 pesos? I think, yeah, if you have a few hours to kill in Cebu and you've done all of the other cultural things, go to the Ocean Park. But you don't have to go in the Ocean Park. You can just go to this art cafe. Actually, may creepy na isda doon na nandun lang siya sa baba ng ledge. Dude, kanina pa siya nandyan. Tapos wala lang pakialam yung ibang isda sa kanya, pero gumagalaw siya. Slight. Hindi ko alam kung nagsisink siya to the bottom. Ito na yung scary na fish. Bakit siya bumaba? Oh my god, it's so big.